going to be sharing with you my lemon ginger tea. This is really good and detoxifying for the body. I drink this when I'm detoxing and I need something really warm and comforting. And I love ginger. I love it. It is so good for our digestion. And of course, lemon is just really good to pull on our lymphatic system. So this is, yeah, so I'll make a big pot of this and put it in my big Yeti. It's one of these, it keeps it hot all day, and I'll just sip on it all day. And it's just really good, better than coffee. I haven't had coffee in over 2 years. I miss it. And you know, I'll bring it back in later. Just right now, I really want to get my body where it needs to be. But okay, so the ingredients is so simple. It's ginger and some lemon. And I also like to put powdered ginger in there because I saw this video, it was on YouTube, and it was a doctor, and he was a scientist, and he was saying how dried powdered ginger was actually like 10,000 times stronger than chemotherapy. I don't know, but I love ginger anyway, so I put a little bit of dry in there, and also this is kind of cute, but I put little notes on all my spices. This one has abundance on it, on my ginger powder. I just label things on my blenders. It says thank you for all my blessings. My flaxseed says love on it. My chia seed says beautiful. And I have forgiveness over there. I'm reading them over on my beet powder says forgiveness. You know, there are just certain words that I feel have really good energy. And so that's why I do those things, those little quirky little things. But anyways, so if you want, you could peel the skin off. I don't, it doesn't matter. But and then you're just gonna go ahead and grate, and you're gonna use the smaller. You're gonna use the smaller end, and you're just gonna grate it. Like a lot, not too much, but you know, I like quite a bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm just making a cup today. I'm not making a huge batch, so I don't need that much ginger in that one. So I'm just gonna put that in my water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and boil this, bring that to a boil, so that's it. So, okay, so now I boiled my ginger in my water, and so now I'm just gonna go ahead and strain it through my little strainer here because I don't want the ginger flakes in my tea. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in my cup. Perfect. And also, I only use glass pans when I make all my teas and a lot of my recipes. I don't like using metal pans because of the heavy metals that could get into your food and the toxic things that they put in these pans now. So I like using my glass pans. I did get these on Amazon. They're not too expensive. They're not too bad, but definitely worth it when you're detoxing the body and you're making a lot of teas and stuff. And you know, when you're cooking for your family, you don't want toxic pans, you know, in your house. So that's why I use these. So okay, so now I have my tea in here, and now I'm just gonna add my lemon. Oh, actually, I'll add my ginger powder first. My abundance ginger powder. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in there. And like I said, if you don't like it really spicy, then you can leave it out or just not use as much ginger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lemon juice in there. And now for a sweetener, you can put honey in your tea, or you know, any kind of sweetener of your choice. I don't like adding extra sugar to my, especially when I'm detoxing, you know, any kind of like maple syrup or agave, all these other sweeteners I try to avoid, unless it comes from a fruit, then you know, it's fine. But So I just drink it like this, but I do like it sweet. So I found these berries. It's called a Ladidi berry, or you can call it a miracle berry, and I will put the link down where I got these. These truly are a miracle berry. You just take one little tiny berry like this, and you put it in your mouth, and you coat your tongue with it, and it actually tricks the tongue or your taste buds. It makes everything taste like it has tons of sugar in it, what it does. It is truly amazing, and I'm telling you, like, you put it in your mouth, coat your tongue with it, and bite into a lemon. It will taste like freaking lemonade. It is insane, and it does not affect the taste of other food, just sour. So it has to have an acid, which is your lemon. So as long as anything has lemon in it, it will taste like it has a ton of sugar in it. It is phenomenal. So I swear by these, and it's a fruit, and it's dried, and I believe they come from South Africa, and I mean, they're just, you have to try them. Just trust me, order just a little. I think you can order them where they have like 10 berries. Just play around with it, but these truly are amazing. And now it tastes, my tea actually now will taste like it has a cup of sugar in it. Will blow your mind. It is insane. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I mean, it tastes like lemonade with ginger in it. It's really, really good. So, you know, and I would not promote anything that I don't like. And yeah, I mean, I'm obviously not getting paid or anything to advertise these berries. I mean, my channel's so new. It's only been on here for 3 weeks. So, but if I ever do, I will let you know. But anyways, yeah, oh, that is so good. But, you know, if you don't have your berries, or, you know, if you're ordering them and you want to make the tea, you can put some honey in there. It's fine. So, okay. So I hope you enjoy your tea on a really cold night. You can make some ginger tea and cuddle up on the couch with a blanket and watch a good movie. So that's what I do. Okay, I will see you in the next video, you guys. Bye. Thanks again. Yummy, yum.